Alright, welcome back, guys. I told you, part 2 begins now. Haven't learned from the last time. The 13 inches got me this far, so leave. Oh shit. What the fuck? Damn. Alright, let's examine this a little. That's perfect. That is absolutely... What the fuck? That's a clean... That's as clean as you'll ever get it. Snipped in the right place. Alright. We're gonna break up the big guns. If it'll clamp, and it won't. They tried to get me instead. You son of a bitch. Get the... Alright, get this. Not the first. Did I seriously break the fucking tweezers? Or did the damn thing try to come back and snap at me? Either way, I can't work with these now. This is personal. That won't work. That got hot fast. And I'm holding it. Alright, you little... Don't try to cut my hand now. Oh shit. Best thing to drop. We got a tangle here. Yeah, tip it on the bed. Go down, grab this. The iPhone charger block. I don't know about this here. How small, but how breakable is... Extremely. Something snapped inside of it, and that's definitely fit 2 of them. Okay, I'm not. Oh! Yes! 2 down. We're forgetting one thing up there real quick. Now, Roberta. What does this belong to? That's extremely too long. Okay. Well, we gotta start somewhere, right? Okay, so the first thing, how long is this? 12, 24. All right. I think about 36 inches. We're in for a treat. Since I don't know what this belongs to, and I have a lot of USB-C cords, all right. That. Cut the 2 ends. I wouldn't recommend. I would, but yeah. Alright, come on. Yeah, get in there. Oh, right on the bed. Now we're gonna have to untangle this. This is gonna be a lot. We will cut it like that. Oh yeah, we gotta get rid of this. This almost spilled my humidifier. Worst possible light. Dangerous possible light. And I hit a pressure point in my right hand. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. The thing is too tough to cut with multiple of them there. Alright, you know what? I've had enough of this. I've had enough of this. This ain't gonna teach. Yeah, hit me in the chest and see what happens, you fucking. I'll show you a thing or two. Yeah. Oh. Ah, you fucking. Fucking live. What the fuck? God damn it. That fucker has not been plugged in. And that is so awesome, bro. Like, let's do it again. Holy shit, bro. Woo. Throw this away, but I don't want to cut it. It's too damn short. Yeah, take a step back from that one. That thing will fucking get you. I swear, man, there ain't nothing like that jolt. Make you appreciate. All right, let's pick it up. Where is that wire? Is it actually? Yeah, come here. Don't fall. Yeah, come here. Sit right there. I'm taking care of your little brother. That fucking thing wants to shock me. Where the fuck did I put the scissors? It's on the bed. So, without cutting our hand. That off. Is this alive? No, it's dead. It's dead wire. It honestly kind of got to me a little bit. Alright. I'm not sure. Ooh. Cut those ends off. Take this. Do this. These are cords I don't necessarily need. I am finishing like the whole arsenal. I think I'll keep like the power adapters a little bit. Like the ones that I think are necessary to keep. But I gotta do something with that wire. Where is it though? Alright, so I'm looking for that wire. Or did it discharge? We're going to not touch the end of that again. It's in the trash. And we're going to take a second. I can't believe I'm doing this. I jump into it. I come back. And the second round's even more intense, but it's in a good way. You gotta appreciate what you're able to do and do it right in front of people. And the worst thing is to capture it on film. This is the audio version. This is tangled. We got a problem. We got a fucking problem. Alright. Alright, yeah, you're not gonna... Oh, we won't need round 3. If we can get this untangled. We'll cut it like that. Don't make the same mistake twice. Okay. I'm making dents in it. And the same electrical feeling when you hit a pressure point, that's to be expected. Alright, don't touch the end. It's not alive, thank God, but... Alright, so what do we do now? So cut one end. We're trying to get it... Trying to get it through one end to the other, and I gotta do something with that exposed wire right there. You know how when you get your cords tangled up, I don't recommend you cut them. Oh God, I'm so terrible. I'm terrible at giving advice. But hey, you know what? This might be the last time this actually happens. Okay. Where do we cut now? We have to cut. And cut through the noise like that. A little bit of exposed wire don't hurt nobody. You gotta move fast with it, I think. Don't hold me to that. This is for y'all. This ain't for me. This is not for y'all. This is for me. Okay. Now, got that side untangled. Working to do this one. The same, yes, the same fate that you will meet soon, cord. If I can, I'm gonna have to, well, I gotta explain nothing, but you will die at the hands of my scissors. And look at that. Quickly throw that away. I told you. I wielded the scissors and they obey me. What do you gotta say? Oh, don't do that to me. Snip. I'm just a power cord. Uh-oh, we got a problem. Oh, shit. We got cleanup. Remove that quickly. And power cord fragments. USB-C. Okay, I will actually keep that because I might need that. So we'll have to let it get a little bit on the floor. I'll clean it up at some point in my life. Here. If I can find my scissors, that would be lovely. And I cannot find them. But I have an extra pair sitting right up here on the dresser. I'm looking for my other pair and they walked off. I see them. Or so I thought, but there are more. I don't want it to end up having to worry about getting, embedded by a bunch of little cord fragments and shit, so we're going to look for the fucking scissors. Found them buried under the cord. We'll keep the extra pair. Those are too short to work with anyway, and since that's all the way back and almost cut my hand closing it. We are, I think I did. No, I didn't. All right, we're gonna hold it. What we're gonna try to do next. There is where that live wire went. All right. Have you met your demise yet? Oh, no way. One cord left. My treat. I have been saving this moment personally for you, my little friend. Welcome. Yes. You are done. Bye-bye, cord. And rest in peace. There we go. Ah, the iPhone or the Apple Watch charger. I have a USB-C version. I don't need you. So sadly, you gotta go. Come on, it ain't gonna hurt. There we go. I know, just dangle there for a second. Just dangle there for a second. You like that, don't you? Keep this end, straighten this. Oh, yeah. Round 2. We won't need a third round. And okay, you are impossible. Gotcha. Got you indeed. Channel that energy. Come full circle, 2 rounds. A near miscalculation or a mistake, and everything's taken care of. The fun part is the cleanup. Always the probability, because there's always going to be something. But what a good video. What a good video, huh? Yeah. Round 2. I thought this would have been round 3. But before we ended, let's see how many. That whole thing is empty. Let's see, can we get more? Can we get more quartz to load up? Well, keep the ones I'm actually gonna save. Destroy the ones. And then we have a little surprise for you. Remember these Apple dongles? We gotta save the bag. pocket these. Actually, 1, oh, 4. Okay. Hold on. It's not cutting. We don't need you fighting now, don't we? All it's doing is too close. Wait a sec. The fuck? That's actually not gonna work. Different tools for different things. Okay? Let's grab them. This started to get the job done, and it was just too damn long to actually do anything. This is perfect. It won't work. Even ripping the damn thing won't work. Alright, what else can we try? The house key? Or a fucking wrench. Playtime! Except you hit me in the head and ricochet off. That actually didn't even bother me. Let's try. And then I drop it. Where did the fucking thing go? It ricochets off my head. I dropped the damn thing. We're going to find it. Okay. You know what? Fuck you. You want to hide? Yeah, disappear on me. Go ahead. Perfect. It's actually kind of brilliant, if you ask me. We're going to try to find this thing. You fucking bitch. Where are you? I am not going to quit looking for this. Let me think. If I was small, if I was light, there you are. Told you. I gotta think. I've tried everything to cut this. It's battered. It wasn't picked up. Well, okay. You won't actually cut. I'm impressed. You're small. But you could pack a good punch. I'm gonna try to like pop up under you and completely destroy you. You could fight. But did Apple like use some strong shit for this? Cause I can't figure out how to get this fucking thing to let go. What do you gotta say about that, Apple? Right. So we're gonna kind of clean up in between. We're gonna try to see if these other everything to me seems to be safe. So two more. Oh, you fucking bitch.
PM, 71 degrees Fahrenheit.
That will actually heal. I don't know what the fuck I did to my thumb, but it thinks it has won. It's this is only you still refuse? All right. I gotta give Apple credit for this one. I can't. I can't do nothing. Okay. But since that's got a cut in it, I guess we gotta get rid of the last one too. At least try to. I found it. I don't need the extra pair of scissors. I just need about you're impossible. But the fact that I got you, all three of you, with minimum problems. I got liquid Band-Aids that I could go and get real quick. see if I need it first. All right. It felt like some kind of cut at first, but I don't feel anything. But to be safe,
Time is 9 o'clock.
we will actually put these up now that we don't need them. Do I regret making the video? Absolutely hell no.
9 o'clock p.m. 72 degrees Fahrenheit.
Little price you gotta pay, but it seems to be fixed. So, life lesson, guys, know what to do and know what not to do. Know what you have, what you don't have. But the stuff that you need to get rid of, be careful when you do it. Don't do what I did. Don't pick up my bad habits. Stay safe. And this is the conclusion. Have a great one. And did we